Good morning everyone. We are the Group P in Nominal and our topic for today is resistance bands exercise. First, let us define what is resistance band. It is a lightweight elastic band used to induce muscular contraction. This contracting motion builds strength in the muscles as the user pulls against the band. So, it works by stabilizing your muscle groups and provide extra intensity kaysa sa pangkaraniwang body weight exercise. So, its purpose is for your muscle to contract as the strength in the muscles build up while you are holding or while you are pulling against the band. So, second bullet, if you are unable to go to the gym, resistance bands are relatively expensive option to build strength and stability and improve heart health while working out at home. So, it is very relevant during this time pandemic kasi diba, we have limited access to the gym and bawal pa nga rin ata yan hanggang ngayon. So, instead of going to the gym and increasing the risk of being infected, it is just better to work out at home. And using resistance band is a good option. Inexpensive siya and nag-check ako ng price niya online. Ang range niya lang ay nasa 100 to 350 pesos. So, next, types of resistance bands. So, maraming resistance bands na available sa market. And of course, may pinakaiba-iba sila. And you as a user, ikaw lang mamimili kung ano yung angkop sa'yo sa exercise na gagawin mo. And the first type is power resistance bands or loop bands. These bands are essentially like massive rubber bands. They are continuous flat loop that can be used for a variety of purposes. So, marami talaga siyang gamit. Isa na dito yung body weight assistance like pull-ups, dips, muscle-ups, and also for body weight resistance. Ang halimbawa naman nito ay mga push-ups and box jumps. At pwede rin siya sa full body workouts like squat. And it can also act as a therapy for those people who just who are still suffering from leg, knee, and back injury. And pwede din siya as a warm-up and for static stretching. So, generally, it is highly versatile and effective at the same time. So, second, tube resistance bands with handle. Tube resistance bands have handles that attach to both ends and they are made to mimic gym machine and dumbbell exercises. They easily anchor to the door or a bar or a pole. So, kinaiba niya dun sa una, may handle siya. And yung mga exercise din na pwede mong i-perform using this type of band are chest press, curls, back rows, shoulder press, and any other exercises na involve ang pressing and pulling. It is, as stated in the presentation, they are made to mimic gym machine and dumbbell exercises. Kasi this type of band can hit all of your muscle groups. Third is the rubber mini bands and fabric non-slip hip circle bands. Mini bands are like power resistance loop bands but much shorter and wider. New design come with a fabric covering the bands for added comfort and to stop the band from rolling up, which is a common occurrence with the very light resistance mini bands. So, para lang talaga siyang power resistance loop bands na mas maigsi pero mas malapad. So, fabric is added just for the extra comfort kasi paano ka nga naman mag-exercise if you're not comfortable with what you are using. At yung pwede siyang gamitin if you want to increase your strength and stability sa lower body and possible din sa upper body sa mga peeling exercise. And just like the power loop bands, it is also very effective and versatile. Fourth is the light therapy resistance bands. So, therapy bands are very long, up to 7 feet, and thin, light-free bands, meaning they do not loop, although you can tie them in a knot to create a loop. So, from the word itself, therapy, it is made for people who are regaining their strength after an injury. And on the other hand, pwede din naman siya sa iba, like for the elders na wanted to perform low impact workout, and for women na gusto matone yung muscle nila. It is very effective when combined with Pilates and any other fat burning workouts. Another way to use this is during warm-ups for dynamic stretching and after the workout for static stretching. So generally, this type of band helps to increase the stretch and improve the mobility or range of motion.
The next type of resistance bands is the figure 8 bands, where it is shaped as exactly the name it is. So dito sa picture, makikita natin yung 8 figure shape na resistance bands na to. So also, it has a soft handle at the top of bottom of it. So, example ng exercise na pwede natin gawin gamit ang figure 8 bands are the chest press, tricep extension, squats, partner standing row, at marami pang iba. Usually, this type of resistance bands focuses on building muscles to the lower and upper part of our body. So, next to discuss is the benefits of the resistance bands. The first one is the cost-effective workout. So, kaya siya sinabing cost-effective dahil kahit medyo may kamahalan siya, you can still see how effective it is and how it produces a good result in your workout. Na kung saan mararamdaman mo yung worth it ng binayad mo. Next, for benefits of resistance bands, it can adapt easily for multiple fitness level. Dahil nga, resistance bands ay lightweight elastic band that can be used to induce muscular contraction. So, since it is elastic and can be stretched out, it can be used to adapt easily to the different types and level of your workout. So, next naman is modify familiar exercise. By the use of resistance band, you can add up a twist for the exercise you are familiar with. Halimbawa na lang is the normal and simple squats. You can use resistance band to modify it where the other muscles can also be used. Also, kaya din itong dagdagan ang fitness level na meron ng isang exercise. The next one is exercise your whole body. So, when we're using resistance bands, hindi lang isang part ng katawan natin yung gumagana, kundi buong katawan natin. Para hindi lang isang part ng body natin na nade-develop, but also the whole body itself. Next naman is save on storage space. So dito, hindi na natin kinakailangan ng malaking space to perform an exercise. Kasi kahit sa maliit na space lang na mayroon tayo, kayang-kayang mag-execute ng isang exercise using these resistance bands. Next naman, add variety to your workouts. So dito, kapag dinadagdagan natin ng other varieties yung exercise na ginagawa natin, mas nadadagdagan ng level of difficulties yung isang exercise at mas nade-develop nito yung particular muscles na gusto natin i-develop. So next, exercise safely even when alone. So dito, dahil nga madali lang gamitin ang resistance bands, hindi na siya kinakailangan ng guide of other people when performing an exercise, unlike the other exercise equipment. So lastly, get an effective workout. So resistance bands is a good tool to use in executing and performing different exercises that can produce good and effective result in our body. So the next topic to discuss is stretching. And I am here to discuss why stretching is important. So stretching keeps our muscles flexible, strong, and healthy before performing the exercise to maintain a range of motion in the joints. So madalas natin itong ginagawa before performing an exercise because it warms up our muscles and joints para maiwasan ng ang pagsakit ng katawan at muscles natin. And also to avoid the risk of joint pain, strains, and muscle damage.